Everfit versus Trainerize. So Everfit is a fitness coaching platform built for trainers who want a streamlined workflow, creating workouts, tracking nutrition and habits. So let's talk about the pros. They offer free core plan for small and user trial use. They also have an AI-powered workout builder. They offer strong habit coaching, nutrition tools, and a recipe sharing in some versions. And they have good integrations with fitness trackers and wearables, and it is more cleaner and more intuitive with the interface. The cons though, some advanced features are locked behind the higher tiers. It may also have limitations in scheduling and some other features, and they have a less depth in analytics or reporting. Now, Trainerize, on the other hand, is another coaching software platform, more mature and with more enterprise scaling options. It aims to cover not just workouts, but full fitness lifestyle coaching. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers extensive integrations with other apps. They have a strong business and growth tools. They offer deep nutrition tracking and customization, and it's more scalable. The cons is though, they have a higher cost overall, and they also have a steeper learning curve, which requires more complex setup. So overall, if you're an individual trainer just starting out and want something simple, EverFit is the perfect fit. But if you plan to scale your coaching business, work with many clients, need deeper nutritions, then Trainerize is more powerful.